Tips about network marketing tutorials are what every network marketer needs. They can come in handy, especially if you are still starting out and don't know a lot of people yet. But if you already know some people in the business, then you can use this to your advantage because you can get some inside tips from them. This video will teach you what a good network marketing tutorial should cover. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about tips about network marketing tutorial. Use these to build your business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The first tip to follow if you are looking for tips about network marketing tutorial is to focus on one niche. Don't try to promote all your products to everyone in your town because you will only end up being lost in the whole world. Focus on one specific group and do everything you can to help that particular group succeed. The second tip to follow when looking for tips about network marketing tutorial is to be as consistent as possible. You have to be consistent because you have to reach your target market on a consistent basis. So make sure that your Facebook page is always updated and that your website is always up to date. Remember that it is very important to keep your customers happy because this will help them to continue using your services and to refer you to their friends. In other words, you have to provide them with value for them to get to sign up to your list and to stay motivated to continue using your services. Another thing that you should remember about tips about network marketing tutorials is that they should help you to make a lot of money. You don't necessarily have to sell everything that you can to your customers. Instead, focus on providing them with valuable information, tips, and training so that they will see you as an expert in your field and they will become more willing to do business with you. It is also important to learn how to promote and market yourself properly so that you will be seen by people as an expert in the network that you are promoting in. This is done by creating profiles on popular social networking sites. For instance, if you want to attract people to a network about network marketing, you should post on popular message boards and forums. The key is to create a profile that makes you look approachable and that shows your true personality. If you make this mistake, people will be hesitant to do business with you because they won't understand who you are. If you want to learn tips about network marketing tutorials that will really help you make money, it is also important to keep yourself updated. You need to keep in touch with your network. You may not think that you need to do this, but if you are not updated, you will be much less successful. This means that you should make sure that you keep your contact information updated at all times. Make sure that you also include a website that is updated often so that people can contact you. You should also take time to network with other people that are already successful in the business. Find someone that you can talk to about network marketing and let them know that you would like to learn more. You will be surprised by how much help that someone can give you in building your network. Don't be afraid to approach others that are already successful in network marketing because you will be amazed at the things that you can learn from them. These are just a few tips about network marketing tutorial. If you follow the tips that we have given, you will be amazed by the results that you get. Take advantage of these tips and start improving your business. It is easier than you think. Thanks for watching my video about tips about network marketing tutorial. Use these to build your business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.